building an app and launching an app-based business is going to require you to learn new skills. Now, you might be thinking, well, obviously, I'm going to have to learn how to use no-code tools so I can build my app in the first place. But this is a really common misconception I see. Understanding how to use a no-code platform is in absolutely no way the only skill that you're going to have to develop in order to launch your app-based business. Yes, you of course are going to have to do that, but you're also going to have to learn development methodology and best practices. Platform aside, how do you actually go from idea to users? There are a lot of steps involved in that, and there's a lot of strategy involved in that too. So you're going to have to learn and understand that. You're also going to have to learn marketing skills, right? You're going to have to actually find users and bring them to you. You're going to have to learn sales and operations skills. You're going to have to learn how to grow a business. So if you take out the no code aspect of it and you just envision building, launching, and growing any type of business, regardless of the model, think of all the skills that you would have to learn in order to do that. You're going to have to do the same with your app as well. Now, is this a bad thing? Well, no, of course not. I mean, if you develop these skills, the really great thing is if your first app idea maybe doesn't pan out how you envisioned it, well, you can take all of these skills and apply them to a different idea in the future, or maybe many ideas, right? It's completely up to you. But this is a bad thing. The need to develop, to learn all of these skills, it is a bad thing if you don't expect it going in and if you don't want to commit the time toward doing so. And beyond just wanting to commit the time, realistically, are you going to? Right? I mean, for some people, this is not even a question. They know that no matter what it takes, they're going to put their app out there and they're going to just put everything they have into growing it. But for other people, that might not be the case, and that's okay. It depends on you and your goals and your priorities. But you have to understand coming into this that it's going to take developing new skill sets. That is going to involve pushing you outside of your comfort zone in a number of different ways. So if you are comfortable learning how to use no-code tools, great. But are you comfortable with learning how to do user outreach and have conversations publicly and promote yourself, right? Are you going to be okay truly stepping outside of your comfort zone in all these different areas? You want to consider this and make sure that when you're moving forward, you're committed to developing those other skills.